Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Chinese Kiki and I go by the same name on Instagram as well. And I am very happy to share with you this vlog because this is such a beautiful season for everybody. This is where all the families get together, where you do shopping as a family, where you just do everything as a family. And I am so excited to show you what I will do in these few days. I will be going for shopping. I will show you how I package my hair and how I just send it to clients, shipping I mean. And I will show you everything that I will be doing during this week and also going to school as well. I will just combine everything, and that's why it's called a vlog during the Vlogmas season. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like this video, and if you're watching this during the premiere, also don't forget to leave a comment, like the video after the premiere. Thank you so much. Baby! So this is just a normal day where I just process my orders for my clients because they order hair from me and because I just want to make their orders a special. If you're part of this, I really appreciate you and I love you so much. Thank you so much for being part of this beautiful team. As you can see, this is one of the hairs that I have and it's a client order as well. I am even thinking to get the same because I really love this color. I have never tried a wig of this color and maybe this would be a perfect opportunity to do that. So normally this is how clients order arrives because I normally have a gift bag and that's how everything is and something to protect your hair. I've also done a video on my Instagram to show you how you can get your order when you order from me. So I'm just processing this and then tomorrow I will send them out because now I don't know what time is it. It's 5:30 p.m. so I'm just I think I already did this one. Yeah, that one is done, so I'll have my other boxes here and then check one on one if everything is in order. So with this one there's no card, but I think there's something to protect the hair. Oh, okay, yeah, so the card here and wig cape to protect your hair. For my clients and I am taking them to the post office, and yes, it's officially the holiday season and oh dear, you should probably get yourself one of these. Guys, so I came back from school and after school I passed by to go and send some packages for the clients, and after doing that, so I also went to do a little bit of shopping and I will do the haul right away. Oopsie. So my loves, I came back from grocery shopping and of course I got some coriander. I got these papers for just storing things in the freezer, and then I got this for lighting my candles. And then I got the berries. They were on offer, so I figured I should get them. And then I have here lamb chops, 2 pieces of lamb chops. And then I also have chicken liver. I really love chicken liver. Paprika. I also have this. This is for my husband for the bread. And we have some glue wine as well because it's officially Christmas season. Another thing that we got was oh, this is different. So this is for me because I feel like I love this taste the most, and once in a while I'm like, I need something that's meaty if there's such a word. And then also there's a chicken fillet and another chicken liver. And then we also got some chocolates from Ferrero Rocher. and there's some bacon. This is bacon, and then spinach, and finally there's this chicken tikka masala. And I also got this for cooking because I like replacing them, and because they're so affordable, so there's nothing wrong with doing that. And also here there's some onions for cooking with the liver, and I have this for cleaning. I love Lenore. I'm a real big fan of Lenore. I love my clothes smelling so good and so soft. And also there's this from Albertine, the Oxy, the white powder for the white clothes. So it's the powder for the white clothes, and this is for cleaning my glasses because this is the season where we use a lot of glasses. So yeah, this is the only thing that I got. Also to show you that Belgium is not affordable at all. So if you check this minus the offer that we got, which is like we got a discount of 15 euros. So for just this is 109 plus 15 euros. Only this is for that price. So but we move on regardless. I've lived in Germany before, and I tell you for sure, with 109 euros you would buy so much groceries. So I will cook later on. And I just want to share this haul with you because you know we have the Christmas tree here, so we decided to get some snow spray, and this is just to add the fake snow on the tree itself. And I got 3 bottles of the snow spray. Beautiful, isn't it? And I also got some candles because I'm a candle junkie, and I just love when it smells very, very good. So this is how the candle looks like. And I also have another candle as well. I love the animal print detail as usual, and this one got me right because it matches my beautiful dress that I did from ASOS. So this is so wonderful, smells so nice. This one has a vanilla scent, and this one too has something like vanilla too. I love vanilla. And I also got another candle. So the other candle is also this one, and it's this one smells great. Oh my god. And the packaging, it's called Casablanca. There you go. And what else did I get? This. So these are bells to also put on the Christmas tree, because you know, if you don't have the jingle bells for it doesn't feel right. Do you see how oily my face is? I love it. I'm so oily, and I have no makeup, nothing, zero, nothing on my hair. So I also have this for, of course, packaging, and also for doing many other things, which is normal. And finally, just this, actually not finally, just a liquid soap, and this one for cleaning the toilet. And finally this for the tree. So you can imagine this and the snow to look. So guys, I finally decided to like put on the accessories for the tree right now, because I'm in the mood to do that before I have my dinner and go to sleep. So I will just go right ahead and do the accessories for the tree, and then I will also do the snow, but maybe I do the snow with my husband because I really love doing it with him. I will just do some pieces alone, and then some other parts we will do it together. Baby, come.
happened?
The tree. Just touching it without doing anything.
Again?
Yeah.
Because why did you touch it?
I didn't touch it, baby. Just putting this thing and it's falling down. I'm wondering what's wrong with it.
Give it a little bit.
It's
Now what?
I'm trying to move it.
Put a blanket underneath it again? Or?
No, there was no blanket.
Yeah, it's not very stable.
Yeah.
Well, the problem is it's too close against that wall, which makes it
I've tried
pushy.
to remove it from the wall.
Yeah. Also the thing is down now.
Oh shit.
You need the top or no?
Not necessarily, but we can just make it stand like that later on. It is so stressful.
Yeah.
Just
see,
putting
all those
this
things,
on.
you know, see all this.
Yeah. I have to do
Should
it.
have not touched the tree, baby.
I haven't touched the tree, baby. Just putting this.
Okay, but then you're touching it. But where are those things coming from?
These are the ones I bought.
Why don't you buy more? So it's already done.
Only this, baby. Baby, don't judge me.
I'm not judging, I'm just saying. You're not making it
Baby.
easier for us.
Baby. I think it was too close on the wall. So stressful, man. Just doing this made it fall down.
It also far comes off.
Hmm?
The far comes off.
It's okay. Ooh. Ooh, this has to be
And
something.
how will you even put snow on that?
Hmm?
How will you even put snow on that?
I'll put snow, baby, on the green leaves.
But there's no more green leaves, they're all covered in...
There's green leaves, baby. There's these.
They're covered in
Of
balls
course they
and
come out, baby, because
and
it's a tree and it's
all
not
kind
on
of-
the water.
kind of weird shit.
Of course this is happening, baby, because it's not on the water. I hope this room doesn't make it fall down. I think it was too close on the wall,
Oh, baby.
and as it's drying,
And you know, you have a lot of cleanup work now with all those things.
yeah, that's not a problem. Looks cute.
I go back to work.
Okay. Love you. I'll just have to wipe these off. It's okay. I'll just hoover it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oopsie doopsie. I'm still happy though because nothing happened. I mean,
Yeah.
nothing crazy.
Yeah.
You came right on time. Thanks, baby. Go back to work. I'll just have to put this here. And this. And this there. And that there. This has never happened before. I don't know why it's happening now. Like, it should just be a proper Christmas tree without so many difficulties. Just that's another disaster. Oh, the gifts. Put this here. Put this here. What a nightmare. of this video, and I am very happy for you keeping up with me. You know, this is how I run my day. Sometimes it's hectic, sometimes it's slow, sometimes it's and next week I'm also having an exam, so it means a busy week for myself, and I also need to achieve other things on the side as well. So continue liking this video, sharing this video, and don't forget to leave a comment at the end. Thank you so much for being part of this. Be blessed and happy holidays.